Signs of knowing when your natural hair needs a protein treatment. You can't grow long, healthy hair without knowing about protein treatments, deep conditionings, correct ways to oil your hair, protective styles, and so forth. But I can help you with signs of knowing when your hair needs a protein treatment. First sign, when your hair is feeling limp. Now, if your strands seem overly stretched or weak, this could mean that your hair needs a protein treatment. Think of the protein as a structure that holds your hair together. It helps prevent that soft or mushy or limp feeling, and it adds strength. 2. Excessive shedding or breaking. This could be a sign that your hair has lost its protein balance. Hair that is breaking easily often lacks the strength that protein provides. So don't get it twisted with new growth. 3. Loss of elasticity. If your curls don't snap back after being stretched and stay stretched out or even break, your hair is likely craving protein, girl. So get that protein treatment and get to work. 4. Lack of curl definition. That could be because your hair needs protein. Protein helps give your curls structure, and without it, they could look limp, undefined, or even dull. Sign 5. Hair feels too soft. Yes, lots of natural hair people, even people who don't have natural hair, gets this confused sometimes. They don't think that it's a thing, but it is. If your hair is overly soft, too fluffy, or almost too moisturized, it could be a sign of too much moisture and not enough protein. So remember this, it's all about balance, right? So there you have it. If you're experiencing any of these signs, then it just may be time to give your hair a little TLC, which equals protein treatment. And remember, don't overdo it. Balance is key to keeping your hair healthy, and we all want waist-length hair. But what is waist-length hair without volume? That's my take on it. If you guys have any more natural hair tips that you would like to share, drop it in the comment. If you would like to see any other videos relating to natural hair, please let me know and I can go ahead and deliver that for you guys. But until then, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you leave a comment, and enjoy your day. Bye.